So you create a boundary. Okay, you
What
just
would I press?
press and hold anywhere.
Anyway.
Yeah, just hold one of it, just one of it. Then you see a line drawing. Can you see a line drawing?
Nope.
You can see a line drawing. Okay, just hold on. Just hold on. So I'm pressing the back here. So hold on. Can you see a line drawing? Can you see a line drawing?
I can see the line going like the arrow or something like.
Yes, just
But I
follow
can see
that
it
arrow.
on the ground.
It
Oh,
just
am I
moves.
supposed to sit there?
Don't worry, he just wants you to create a boundary. Just
Oh, okay.
yes, he just wants you to create a boundary where you don't want to pass the place, you don't want to hit your leg somewhere. So wherever you put the boundary, if you're passing the place, it's going to allow to tell you that oh you're passing the boundary.
Okay.
Yes. So when you're done, are you done?
Release, yes.
Release it. Okay. So is there a pop-up or something?
On the screen?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Okay. Were you able to connect the boundary though? Did you connect it well?
I think so.
Alright. Then it should tell you what you should do next. Nothing yet. Send it.
Switch to stationary boundary.
Okay. Just click on that.
Confirm.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I see the boundary now.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yes.
So you will not pass that place. So,
Okay.
so you don't hit your leg somewhere.
Everything has changed.
Okay, what are you seeing on the screen?
On the screen. Okay, then it's press OK.
Yeah, press OK. Just okay. You just use the dots. Put the dots on the OK and click.
Okay.
Yeah. So where's the next screen?
I'm supposed to pick options.
Alright, so you're just to look around, just to have a feel of it, because there's no game loaded on it yet.
Okay.
Alright, so you just look around and just play around with it. So you see like the menu, right?
Yes,
So click the last cursor there. But your environment, you can see like oceans and beauty. Exactly. That's what I want you to see. Exactly. So look around.
Volcano stuff. This thing. It's really nice. Like there's the setup at the back.
But in reality, actually, what we can see is you're looking at the screen. We don't know what you're seeing.
I can see chairs, like so you can lounge somewhere around here.
Okay.
Then here.
You can see the waterfall there, right?
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
Then has little. It's very beautiful actually. It has
You can
like
see where you can relax and all that, canopy walls and all that.
Yes.
The interior.
Yeah.
Like you feel like walking there to just see how
Yes.
you can't do that actually.
Okay, can't do that yet.
Alright, so every other thing there is still just like basics because there's nothing installed on it. It's just for you to have a feel of it.
Because this particular I just showing no internet connection.
Of course, as you need to lose some internet connection, so you'll be able to download some apps. It's cool, right?
Very, very. And you can feel it in your hand while you are moving on the how do I call it? Menu stuff. Yes.
Okay. So imagine you say like you're trying to play a game with it.
Okay.
You feel free, like compared to a console. You know, some people that are going for console, you don't want to mention their name. So you know, it's more flexible. You're in the game, right?
You're in the game, yes.
You're not looking at the screen.
We are still the console people. We're happy.
So you feel like you're in control, like in another word.
Everything, yes. Yeah. So now I get why those people on Instagram
you
just run and hit something,
see?
yes, because you feel like there's a whole lot of space, like you don't feel restricted.
Yeah.
Like I can see something far at that end.
Exactly.
Run to that end.
No, don't mind it. Don't mind. In reality, you're not there. So that's what it is. Imagine you playing a zombie game with this.
No.
That is exactly
This
what
will
it is.
be this will be scary.
Yeah. So, cool.
And I can see my boundary.
Of course.
It feels like I'm turning a rock or something,
Yeah.
and that circle is.
Yeah, so it's one guiding you to let you know, just to alert you that you've gone past your boundary. So try and move beyond your boundary.
It feels like there's water beyond the boundary.
Yeah. So there's gonna be like a red stuff telling you that.
I should stop. Okay.
Yeah. Can you see the red?
It's more like blue.
Okay, just move. You've not gotten to the boundary.
Okay.
So you see,
I
like,
think I have.
can you
Yes,
see? Yeah,
yes. You
it's
said
telling you
return to play area.
exactly. So go back.
Okay.
It's like a safety simulation trying to tell you you've gone by
You've
beyond
gone
the boundary.
beyond.
Yeah, the boundary in reality is because we have chairs around here and we have tables, so you don't hit your leg on something.
Or
And
something.
yeah, it's cool.
Wow. It's beautiful.
You see, someone we just have
It's
someone.
like it's getting to morning now or something. So
Uh-huh.
this is getting the sun is setting. Is this setting now? Yes.
Yeah.
So it's clearer. Getting clearer.
Well, I think there's a setting actually, but you might not know what it is, where you can change your environment.
Okay.
You can create an environment that you like. For me, I like somewhere around the beach, so I can simulate an environment like that.
Like that.
So I can even simulate an environment like White House and feel like a president. Something like that. So if they give you an Xbox and this, which would you likely take?
Xbox.
I'll take this.
Xbox.
Do like dancing stuff.
Yes, do you know there's a workout? There's a
yes,
workout video
workout.
there.
Yes.
Yeah.
You feel like the person is with you.
I
and
still prefer my
encouraging you.
stations, man.
And when you're playing, I love fighting games.
Thank you. Me too. Fighting games. Yes.
Elemo.
Very, very.
You see that no.
Fighting games. All right. That's
Wow.
cool. Like
I love
TikTok.
it. Yes, can.
All right.
Thank you. It was a nice stimulation. Wonderful.